In today's video, I'll guide you through configuring Hreflang tags and setting up a language selector on your WordPress site using the Hreflang Manager plugin and its Locale Selector feature. First, make sure you've already installed and configured Hreflang on your WordPress site with Hreflang Manager. This video assumes Hreflang data is already set up. If you need help with the initial configuration, take a look at the tutorial links in the video description. With Hreflang already configured, the next step is to enable the language selector. Go to the plugin settings and open the Locale Selector tab. You'll find several methods to add it. The simplest method is to enable it automatically in your post content. Under the automatic insertion section, turn on the status toggle, choose whether it appears at the beginning or the end of your post, and select the post types where it should be added. Then click Save. Next, let's customize how the Locale Selector looks and behaves. You can choose between different display styles, such as drop-downs, links, inline text, and more, depending on your site's design. For this example, I'll select the modal selector and enable the flags for each language. If you prefer, you can also add the Locale Selector manually. Just edit your post and insert the Locale Selector block. With themes that support the block editor, you can also add it directly inside the theme templates, for example in the footer. To add it directly in your theme files, you can use the dedicated function provided by the plugin. For example, you can include this function inside your footer template.